In last lecture, we have discussed different realistic perceptions of different great people, great legendary persons who made their statement regarding the dreams, that how the person can achieve his or her dreams or the goal or the target. Among those great people, Mahatria is one of them. He says, it takes what it takes to become what you want to become. यानी कोई भी सपना पूरा होने के लिए जितना समय लगना चाहिए उतना तो लगेगा ही, जितने प्रयास लगने चाहिए उतने प्रयास तो लगेंगे ही। उससे कम प्रयासों में हम उस ड्रीम को अचीव नहीं कर सकते। Then after that we discussed regarding the different self beliefs, how self limited beliefs or restricted beliefs are hampering our ways, blocking our ways to achieve the target. Then we have discussed the statement of Usain Bolt, that what kind of negative thinkings are restricting us for hard work or for doing the practice to achieve the goal, to achieve the dream. He says, if we are successfully passing those negative thinking, then definitely the person can earn his name and fame. Then we have discussed the definition of grind. The definition of grind is that body says, stop, I am tired. Mind says, I can't do the work anymore. But the heart says, you still have a goal to achieve, and you go back to work. That is grind. It does mean there is a churning of thoughts, there is a brainstorming of thoughts, that one part of our body says something, another part of our body says something, third part of our body says something, but finally heart voice is listened by our mind and body, and they are working accordingly. On the same line, one of the great boxing legend, Muhammad Ali, also stated his philosophy regarding the hard work, regarding the developing skills in ourselves. Further, the great football player who belongs to Barcelona and Argentina, Lionel Messi, 4 times world player, says he worked day and night for 19 years to develop, to hone the skills in ourselves regarding the game, and that is why he could famous over the night. So there is no shortcut for the great success. Everyone has to put his efforts, everyone has to practice whatever efforts are required for the dream. then and then he can be able to achieve his goal, he can be able to achieve his target, he can be able to achieve his dream. Similarly, one more great example here in this lesson given, and then that example is of Walter Edward Dandy. Walter Edward Dandy is a great American neurosurgeon, but at the beginning he is not a famous doctor. For getting the mastery, for getting the skills regarding the field of neurosurgery, he continuously made surgery, and nearly first 13 patients were died without any fault on the part of the patients. In that situation, there were so many blames and criticisms on Walter Edward Dandy. He also gone through different self-doubted situations. He himself gone through the self-doubts which were used to torment him, used to teasing him. बट इवन आफ्टर दैट, इसके बावजूद भी वो व्यक्ति रुका नहीं, उसने सर्जरी जारी रखा और उस व्यक्ति को फाइनली ये जो अपने ब्रेन का पार्ट होता है, पोस्टेरियर फोजा पार्शियल ट्राइजेमिनल राइजोटॉमी, इस पार्ट का जो कि बहुत ही सेंसिटिव पार्ट होता है, अगर इसका ऑपरेशन नहीं हुआ तब तक नहीं होते था, लेकिन बाय द कंटिन्यूअस अनटर्न्ड एफर्ट्स ऑफ वाल्टर डैंडी, he made it possible, he achieved the great success and skill for doing the operation of this part and became one of the founder member or the founder father of neurosurgery in the world. He had achieved the dream to give a second chance to live to the people. While doing the operation, as I told you, 13 patients were died. That time he was very much puzzled, very much baffled that he got the unsuccess, but he didn't stop there. He continued his efforts of doing the surgery, and by regular practice, by regular efforts, he got the success. He became the master of doing the surgery of this sensitive part of brain, that is posterior fossa partial trigeminal rhizotomy. Then we have another great example of our great Indian leader, or we can say a great person, and the name of this person is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. His story of his life is quite distinguished than other people. He is a man who born in fisherman's house and educated in a small village near the Rameshwari. Continuously, he was coming to school in boat of his father. He completed his schooling up to 7th class. Then for high school, he came to Rameshwari. When he was taking the education, जब वो अपना एजुकेशन ले रहा था डॉक्टर कलाम, तब इन हिज यंगर एज, अपने बचपन में उन्होंने रेलवे स्टेशन पे न्यूज़पेपर बांटने का भी काम किया. He was selling the newspaper, he was distributing the newspaper in his younger age. Then he didn't stop himself, neither he didn't give any kind of blame to the situations. He continued education. He got selected in Madras University in nuclear physics of engineering. There he completed the study of nuclear science and became the scientist, nuclear scientist. He is the person who made the India superpower or the nuclear house. He is the person who received the standing ovation in European Parliament while delivering the lecture. He is the person who became the 11th President of India. He worked as a director of DRDO and ISRO and also gave his services in Madras University as a professor. He trained a lot of students there and lived his life very simple. He was not having the home. He was not having any kind of bank balance. But still, he wrote his name on the pages of history. It is a great example in the Indian history for all of us, who always influences us, always inspiring us, that how the person should live the life, how the person should face the problem, how the person should earn the name and fame with living the simplicity life, with living the simple life. We have one more example of the legendary person, and the name of that legend is Cristiano Ronaldo. The another name in the field of football, the Real Madrid star and Portugal football team's captain. Actually, Cristiano Ronaldo was belonging to the very poor family. His mother was working as a cook and father was a kitman in local football club. In an interview, his mother said that Ronnie was very much homesick. He don't want to leave his parents. But when he got the opportunity of training of football from one of the great academy. Then, against his will, he left the home and joined that academy. But when he was living there, the remembrances of his family, the remembrances of his parents were continuously hunting him. He was crying to meet his parents, but he didn't leave the academy and continued with his game. He continually working over his skills, developed them, made them sharp, focused on his game and improved his game. Finally, he got selected for Portugal's most famous club, that is Sporting Lisbon, and even got selected for the top 11 in the Euro 2004 squad or the team of Portugal. He was that time 19 years old. At that time, on 6 September 2005, in the match of Russia and Portugal, Ronaldo became famous. He became hero. Ronaldo was on the starting 11 and was one of the important player in the team. When he was playing in the World Cup against Germany, that time his father was very serious. His coach advised him for not to play the match in the World Cup, but he refused. He refused. He said, "No, I'll play." And in that match, in that World Cup match, Portugal defeated the Germany, and he dedicated that match to his father, because that time his father was no more. His father was died. This kind of dedication, this kind of sacrifice must be there, must be put by every person while running after the dreams, while fulfilling his dreams, while achieving his goals. Then and then the great success can come to him or can come to her. Once, when Cristiano Ronaldo was asked by a young boy that how do I become like you, मैं आपके जैसे कैसे बन सकता हूँ, तब रोनाल्डो ने बहुत ही मोटिवेशनल बोलो और इंस्पायरिंग उत्तर दिया उस बच्चे को कि हम सभी ने अपनी कैपेसिटीज के तरफ ध्यान देना चाहिए, हमारे कैपेसिटीज के ऊपर विश्वास करना चाहिए. बिलीव इन योर कैपेसिटीज, वर्क हार्ड, गिव योर 100% इन एवरी टाइम, बिकॉज ड्रीम्स डू कम ट्रू, क्योंकि सपने पूरे होते हैं. So, in this lesson, right from the beginning up to the Cristiano Ronaldo, what we are observing, every legendary person are telling that whatever you are dreaming, whatever you want to achieve in your life, that can be achieved. Whatever time it will take, but it can be achieved. And for that, we must focus on that. We must practice. We must hone the skills in ourselves. Then we can get the great success. Dear students, legendary people are like gamblers. They are gambling of their life. They are ready to take the chances. They are ready to take the risks of everything in their life. They are doing the experiments, and therefore they achieve what they want. उनको जो चाहिए वो मिलाने में सक्सेसफुल होते हैं. They have great patience. They have great consistency. They have great persistence. चिकाटी जिसको बोलते हैं, जबरदस्त होती है इनमें. और इसीलिए वो अपने जीवन में जो करना चाहते हैं वो करते हैं, और जो मिलाना चाहते हैं वो मिलाते भी हैं. रोड टू सक्सेस इज लोनली रोड. लर्न टू वॉक अलोन. वेरी ब्यूटिफुल स्टेटमेंट द लीजेंडरी पीपल स्टेटेड हियर कि सक्सेस का रोड जो होता है वो सुनसान होता है, और वही व्यक्ति उस पे चलता है जिसके दिलो दिमाग में जिंदगी में कुछ करने के सपने होते हैं, कुछ जुनून होता है. वही व्यक्ति उन अकेले रास्तों के ऊपर चलते जाते हैं. बट वी हैव टू स्टार्ट समवेयर फॉर दिस. लेकिन इसके लिए कहीं ना कहीं से हमको शुरुआत करनी पड़ती है, क्योंकि किसी भी काम को करने के लिए, जैसे कि मैंने बताया इसके पहले वाले लेक्चर में, कि बहुत बड़ी शुरुआत की जरूरत नहीं होती है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं से तो छोटी क्यों न हो, शुरुआत तो करनी ही पड़ेगी या करने की जरूरत होती ही है. यस, दैट इज व्हाई वी मस्ट स्टार्ट द बिगिनिंग of that particular action to follow our dreams, to achieve your goals, to achieve your targets. So, my dear students, get up, get ready, and walk alone on the road of success. On the road of success. What will happen? बहुत बार ऐसा विचार आता है कि अगर, जैसे कि मैंने सेल्फ लिमिटिंग बिलीफ्स के बारे में बताया था, कि अगर ऐसा हुआ तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, लोग मुझे हंसेंगे, मैं गरीब का गरीब रह जाऊंगा. ये सारी जो चीजें हैं, अगर आपको सताती है, निगेटिव थिंकिंग आपके मन में निर्माण होती है, तो उसको बिल्कुल भाव देने की जरूरत नहीं है. अरे क्या होगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा, गलत अगर हो गए, गलत रास्ता अगर मिल गया, सो यू विल गेट द एक्सपीरियंस. रॉन्ग एक्शन कैन लीड टू समवेयर. माइंड वेल, रॉन्ग एक्शन कैन लीड टू समवेयर, बट नो एक्शन विल लीड नोवेयर. गलत रास्ता शायद कहीं तो लेके जाएगा, और कहीं लेके जाएगा तो एक एक्सपीरियंस आएगा कि भाई कहीं ना कहीं मैं गलत हुआ हूं, और वो एक्सपीरियंस आप दूसरों को बताओगे, दूसरों को वो रास्ता तय करने में मददगार साबित होगा. लेकिन अगर आप आगे ही नहीं बढ़ोगे तो कहीं भी नहीं पहुंचोगे. दिस ब्यूटीफुल स्टेटमेंट वाज स्टेटेड बाय Mahatria. Already he had stated one of the statement, and the statement was that it takes what it takes to become what you want to become. बहुत ही जबरदस्त फिलॉसफी इनके स्टेटमेंट्स में रहती है, और बिल्कुल फैक्चुअल, रियलिस्टिक, प्रैग्मेटिक फिलॉसफी भरे इनके स्टेटमेंट्स होते हैं. So we must come out of our comfort zone, जो हमारी इंटरेस्टेड जो एरिया होता है, कंफर्ट जोन बोलते हैं, जिससे हम निकलना नहीं चाहते, उस कंफर्ट जोन से हमको निकलना पड़ेगा। और जब तक हम उससे आगे का रास्ता हमारे नजरों से नहीं दिखाएगा या नहीं दिखेगा, और जब तक अनिश्चितता की सिचुएशन हमारे आगे निर्माण नहीं होती, तब तक कोई रास्ते, नए रास्ते नहीं मिलते। बिकॉज लीजेंड्स डिड द सेम, क्योंकि जो लीजेंडरी पीपल अब तक के जो हुए हैं, दे ऑलवेज केम आउट फ्रॉम देयर कंफर्ट जोन, दे ऑलवेज एम्ब्रेस द सिचुएशन ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटी, and that is why they became the great. They could write their name in the history. So you should also get up, never to give up, achieve success, and repeat those success in your life. So in this way, this is a beautiful lesson which was discussed with you. I think that you betterly understood this lesson. Now there are some important questions on this chapter that we have to discuss, and after that we will finish this lesson. The first question is, explain what Muhammad Ali thinks about success. Muhammad Ali says that the great success cannot be achieved in overnight. It takes what it takes. We must continue with our hard work. Then and then it can come to us. तब जाके हमको जो ग्रेट सक्सेस हासिल हो सकती है. The second question is, what are the self-limiting beliefs mentioned in the lesson grind? As we have discussed, जैसे कि हमने डिस्कस किया, कौन कौन से सेल्फ लिमिटिंग बिलीफ्स रहते हैं. जैसे पहला, what if I end up penniless? What if I fail so badly that I regret for it my entire life? And the most dominant and common one being, what if I become a laughing stock and end up embarrassing my family? So these kind of self-limiting beliefs are popping in our mind, and that is why we are not taking the steps ahead. We are not starting actually. Then the next question is, state the qualities of legends mentioned in the lesson grind. They are very visionary. Legendary people are very visionary people. They are hardworking. They believe in yourself. They believe in your skills. They are not getting attracted by the statements or the blames or the criticism which are done for them. They always focus on their work. So these are some qualities of the legends which are mentioned in this lesson grind. State the family background of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. As you know, and as I discussed with you, the family background of APJ Abdul Kalam was very poor. He belonged to the poor family of fishermen. In his younger age, he sold out newspaper on the platform, railway platform. He then became the nuclear scientist. He got the standing ovation in European Parliament. He became the 11th President of India. He is also called the Missile Man of India. He made the India superpower, right? Then another question can arise, that is, what is grind? What are the different qualities of the great legends, great people? So many questions are there. When you will read this lesson, you will come to know. आपको मालूम होगा जब आप पढ़ोगे तो अलग अलग क्वेश्चंस जो आपके दिमाग में भी तैयार होंगे उसके आंसर्स आपको मिलते जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो यहाँ हम अपना जो सेकंड लेसन जो है वो बंद कर रहे हैं. ओके, यहाँ ख़त्म हुआ है ये लेसन और आपको पढ़ना है. और ये कुछ 4 जो क्वेश्चंस आपको दिया है इसके आंसर्स आप अपने शब्दों में लिखोगे और गूगल क्लासरूम के ऊपर आप सेंड करोगे. सो फॉर द नेक्स्ट लेसन वी स्टॉप हियर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.